AI seems to be everywhere we look, from streaming services to self-driving cars and virtual helpers. It's the talk of the town. AI uses algorithms to study and understand huge amounts of data from many different sources. This lets it make decisions about the future based on what it has learned in the past. AI is still in its early stages, but it has a lot of possible benefits, from making businesses more efficient to improving the results of medical tests. It's exciting to see how this technology is changing the world and how we can use it for good. Potential of machine learning that are well known. There are many ways to use artificial intelligence, from transportation and security to healthcare and business. You've probably seen robots that use AI to answer questions from customers. These are especially popular on e-commerce sites because they make shopping and looking more personalized. AI is also being used to improve face recognition software in security applications and to automate predictive analytics in finance and banking. Not to mention that the healthcare industry is quickly adopting AI technology to cut costs, improve the accuracy of evaluation and treatment, and give people better healthcare. Let's unlock the power of AI by looking at its advantages. Minimum to no errors. One of the best things about AI-driven systems is that they are very accurate and reliable. Machines don't make mistakes like people do because they're tired, distracted, or biased by their feelings. So they can do things with accuracy and consistency that can't be beat. In fields where mistakes can be expensive, like healthcare, banking, and space research, this is what makes the difference. Increased productivity. People are amazing. When their intelligence, courage, and work ethic are used to their fullest ability, they can do miracles. But there are only so many people. Our ability to pay attention and stay focused often gets worse as we get older, which makes us less productive. If we spend too much time in front of a computer, we might get tired and sloppy. Even if we start the day fresh, we might be thinking about something else like a breakup or a sports team's loss. It's natural, but that's exactly what's wrong. Computers and programs, unlike people, don't get tired. This means that AI can work around the clock with the same amount of energy and joy, which increases the productivity of corporations. Improved decision-making. Decisions made by AI are quick, fair, and based only on facts. No personal thoughts or opinions are taken into account when choices are made, which gets rid of any possible bias. This is especially helpful when making hard decisions that can be affected by emotions or personal ideas, like in legal, political, and financial issues. Better automation. Systems with artificial intelligence can automate boring, repetitive tasks, freeing up people to do more creative, novel work. This makes the process easier and lets huge amounts of data be managed with little help from people. For example, AI can send out 2 to 3 emails every week as part of an email promotion. This gives marketers more time and money to spend on more creative material and makes it easier for them to tailor their emails to different groups of people. Increased accessibility and availability. Every person will always need to sleep. We humans need breaks, whether it's for a holiday, our health, or to take care of a family obligation. On the other hand, tools that use AI can be used 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They don't get sick, don't need to sleep, and can be reached from anywhere on Earth. Artificial intelligence is a great tool for businesses, especially for doing repetitive jobs, because it's easier to use and is always available. Why? They keep doing their job with the same precision, accuracy, and quality, even though they don't seem to get tired. Cost efficient. In the long run, systems that use AI save money. A system like this takes an initial investment, but the return on investment, or ROI, is higher in the long run because AI-driven solutions don't need to pay for more labor or salaries. Also, they don't need constant training or improvements, so the cost to keep them running isn't too high. So, AI-driven technologies can help businesses cut costs and increase productivity when they're used properly and effectively. Thanks for watching this video.